Sculptra is used for increasing the volume of depressed areas, particularly to correct skin depressions, such as in-skin creases, wrinkles, folds, and scars. Sculptra is also suitable for large volume corrections of the signs of facial fat loss, lipoatrophy. The box contains 2 vials. Each vial of dry powder contains 150 milligrams of poly-L-lactic acid, 90 milligrams of sodium carboxymethylcellulose, and 127.5 milligrams of non-pyrogenic mannitol. Sculptra is reconstituted by the addition of sterile water for injection.